BPS Tradesman, working on another project, something we've been needing to do. Okay, so I got two sets of leads here. This one's 16 feet, and then we got another set. Well, not a welding lead yet. It will be soon. Here we go. All right. You ever been welding before? You know what these are called. It's called DINS connectors. Okay? So if you want to follow along, I'll show you how to make some inexpensive but decent quality welding leads. Here's part number if anybody cares to see what I got going on at the moment. Made in China. Yep, there we go. That's China, I do believe. So let's spill the bag out so that way you can see. Yep, definitely need to invest in a camera, don't we? Okay. So we got two of our twist lugs. And we also have, for doing a panel. Okay, so when I build that welder generator, that isn't done yet, there's a twist lock right here. That's the important part. Now it doesn't have a sleeve sometimes. Actually, it looks like it does. You can see it right there. I can pull that out and we'll turn, there's a twist lock. When you're done, just goes in here. Baboosh. Slides in after that Allen wrench is all set. Here's one. It's already in. Your connector for your DINS. Comes in here. You see the little tab? Match tab up with tab. And then you twist it. So all we're doing at the moment is verifying the 35 DINS caliper. We don't need a micrometer at the moment. Thickness of the wire for the cables. Thickness of the cables. So now since that's set for the OD, we can use this side to check the ID. So look right down here. That's decent, but that's with the insulation on there. So we might take another piece of copper, or even copper plumbing possibly. What we're gonna have to do is these rivets down here. We're gonna take that rivet out, and that's gonna be how much copper we have for a new lug. Once this terminal's off, will be exposed with the bare copper. We can take this sleeve here. If we have to, I'll go up to like Ace Hardware, Home Depot, Lowe's, any type of hardware store. Get a piece of copper plumbing and cut a slice. On the side of it, we only need a little, I don't know, 1 inch maybe. And it'll just make sure that we have a filler. Because these are really small. Really, they're not ideal for industrial welding, but a 16 foot of lead, I could double that if I need to. Oh, that is an old Harbor Freight drop hitch that I modified. I seen a failure point before. Somebody overloaded one of these. I think it's only rated 5,000. So I added on these gussets, welded that in. There's slop here. You know how they're always jingling? Yeah, no, not really. Just minimal. So I machined these out, and then I put on these bars after I machined them on the back here. Made that a little bit snugger. I welded it. Welded this on, added these on. Because I didn't like it rattling. I used to take pieces, actually see the flat stock I put in here. It's not what we're focusing on, but these lugs, I'm gonna make some cables.